Some traditions aren't built from stone. They don't begin with grand speeches or famous battles. Sometimes they begin with a single garden and a neighbor willing to share it. Every summer, thousands of people wander the streets of Buffalo, not in search of monuments or museums, but something much quieter. A front yard, a flower bed, a hidden path between homes. Welcome to Garden Walk Buffalo. What began in 1995 as a small neighborhood event, with just a handful of participating gardens, has grown into one of the largest free garden tours in the United States. Today, hundreds of homeowners open their gates and welcome visitors from across the country, transforming entire neighborhoods into living works of art. But what makes Garden Walk special isn't simply the flowers. It's the people behind them. Each garden reflects years of patience, creativity, and care. Some are carefully planned with formal designs, while others feel wonderfully wild, where every season paints a different picture. As you walk from block to block, you begin to notice something else. The gardens aren't competing with one another. They're connecting people. Neighbors talk across fences. Visitors exchange ideas with homeowners. Streets that are normally quiet become places where complete strangers pause to admire something beautiful together. It's a reminder that history isn't always something we inherit. Sometimes it's something we continue to grow. The homes themselves tell stories spanning generations, while the gardens add a new chapter each year. Every bloom, every pathway, and every carefully tended corner becomes part of Buffalo's living history. Perhaps that's why Garden Walk has endured for more than 3 decades. Not because every flower is perfect, but because it reminds us that communities flourish. When people choose to create something beautiful and then share it with everyone else. Some stories are preserved in books, others are carved into monuments, and some are planted one flower at a time. The history between steps. Thank you for taking a step with me.